Well, my name is Vishwambran Shah Jahan. Although I'm called as Vicky everywhere, everybody knows me as Vicky. Uh, I'm an artist, roots coming from India and from Sri Lanka as well. So, because my dad and my mom, they fell in love uh, in Abu Dhabi and they got married here. So I find it very special because I belong to both countries at the same time, which is very interesting. As a child, I realized that I would say that I had this very distinctive feminine character because I was born as a boy. My characteristics was very much feminine. The things that I do, the things that I mean, the way how I behave. There were certain things that kept me, you know, do as a female, and I never felt as a boy. I mean, it was a pretty much a disturbing situation that caused during my childhood, where I was not capable of understanding what is really happening, and it was a bit, it was, how do you say, I was not so sure, like, I was not really sure what is really happening. I always approach girls, but I don't feel being comfortable with boys most of the time. Then I realized there's something different in me. As I kept growing, like at the age of 10, 11, then I realized that there are, like, I have to accept being as a boy, and at the same time I have to be as a girl as well, because I was not hiding myself during those days, even though my parents were noticing my feminine behavior as a child. They tried so hard to change me. They tried, like, they kept on, uh, you know, forcing me to dress me as a boy, and I mean, I was also dressing up as a boy with short hair and everything, but I was always attracted to feminine things. Even though as a kid I was inspired by so many women, not by men. Um, all these little things. I mean, that sort of brought me to a sense where I felt like, yeah, deep inside I am a woman. I am a girl inside. So it was getting really tough for me. It was hard to digest how my relatives and family members started to treat me. I approached different people, and different people started approaching me, and I don't know how my name went across through this island, but somehow I started becoming visible to many people. A lot of them got to know me, how I was supposed to make them understand about me, and it was all different challenges that I went through in my hood as well. I basically love challenges. It always kept me doing. It always kept me being stronger, because I could feel that there's a lot of strength in me, that I can face all these challenges. If I haven't faced any of these challenges with strength, I don't think I would have come across this far today.